I'm going to show you how to make dumplings with beef patties. Start by preparing the stuffing. In a mixing bowl, break up 10 ounces of beef patties into pieces. Crush a garlic clove, peel it, chop it. You can ask for help from an adult. Put it with the beef. Grate a piece of ginger. Take half a teaspoon. Also put it in the bowl. Then add a quarter teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. It will flavor the stuffing, and 1 egg. Mix until getting a sticky stuffing. Don't lose anything. Slice 10 ounces of leek whites. First, cut it several times lengthwise without going all the way. To slice, hold it tightly. Tuck your fingertips to avoid cutting yourself. Ask for help from an adult for safety. Mom will show you. Put them with the meat. Also, slice 2 spring onions. Add them too. These vegetables will make the dumplings even more delicious, and they are good for our bodies. Mix again. The stuffing is ready. Now we are going to make the dumplings. To go faster, I use fresh or frozen dumplings wrappers. You can also make them at home. You can watch our video, Homemade Dumpling Wrappers. Spread 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large non-stick pan. Take a wrapper. Moisten the edge with water. Put 1 good teaspoon of stuffing in the center. To enclose it, fold the wrapper into a half-moon shape. Pinch right in the middle. Then make 3 small folds on the right, like this, and 3 small folds on the left. Press the folds to close properly. Adjust the shape. Put it in the pan. Here is the folding scene from the front. In the pan, you can place them against each other. Once cooked, they come off easily. To cook them, ask an adult for help. Put the pan on medium heat. Let cook for 5 minutes without covering. Then put 1 cup of cold water. Put a lid on. Turn to low heat and cook for 6 minutes. Then remove the lid. Turn to high heat to let all the liquid evaporate for about 2 minutes. Spread 2 tablespoons of sesame oil over the dumplings. It will flavor and brown the bottom of the dumplings. Leave about 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat. The dumplings are ready. For the dipping sauce, combine 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Bon appétit! Your homemade beef patty dumplings will be delicious. Don't worry about their shape. The main thing is to enclose the stuffing. Those who like it spicy can add chili oil. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgane Recipes.
Mmm.